Lateral means sides, quad means 4. Okay, the shape which is having 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Okay, now we will see them one by one. How many types of quadrilateral are there? What is the properties of these quadrilateral? Okay, and how will you solve the question related to these quadrilaterals? Now we will see. First of all, we will see the plane surface. What do you mean by a plane surface? Plane surface is
Can you repeat?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah. What do you mean by a plane surface? Plane surface. What is the plane surface? Do you know?
Ma'am, maybe like it doesn't have any angles or any
Flat surface. Flat surface. Flat surface is a plane. Okay.
Yes.
Now plane curve. Curve means plane curve.
When we get a curve by joining number of points, like ma'am, like if there is point A and point B, when we join them without lifting the pencil, like
Yes.
with the help of a item or so,
Yes.
we would get an open or a closed figure or
Yes.
or something like that. That
Yes.
is known as a plane curve.
Yes. So plane curve is what? A curve by joining the number of points without lifting the pencil. Okay. You point out some dot on your paper. Okay. And without lifting your pencil, just draw the locus of that points. That would form a curve. Okay. Now there are two kind of curve. First is open. Okay. If any curve or any shape is open at one end, it will be open curve. And if it is not open, it is closed from everywhere, it will be a closed curve. Okay. So these are the few example of closed curve. You can see this star, this square, polygon, this triangle, they all are closed curve. Okay. It is not open from anywhere. Okay. So polygon, what is a polygon?
Ma'am, a polygon is a closed just curve figure, ma'am.
Closed curve figure, it is okay, but
And it doesn't have any
curve.
faces in it.
Yes. A polygon doesn't have any curve. Okay. Okay. Only the polygon is made up of line segments. Polygon is made up of many line segments. There may be 3 line segments. So tell me, what is the minimum line segment?
3, ma'am.
Yeah. From minimum 3 line segment, we can make polygon. Okay, if we are having only 2 lines, we cannot make closed polygon. We cannot make closed polygon. It would be of open type, and that wouldn't be considered in the polygon. Okay, so for drawing polygon, we should have minimum 3 lines, minimum 3 line segments. Okay. Now see, this is the triangle, this is a polygon, this is a quadruple, this is having 4 line segment. The shape which is having 4 line segment is called quadrilateral. Okay. Now see, we will classify these polygons. First of all, on the basis of number of sides. If number of sides are 3, that would be, it will form a triangle. Number of sides are 4, quadrilateral. 5,
Pentagon.
6,
Hexagon.
7,
Heptagon.
octagon. 8, octagon. Okay, so there may be n number of sides. Okay, and that would be n-gon. Okay, now see, what is a diagonal? Okay, now we are having this closed shape polygon. Now how will you draw the diagonal, and how will you define diagonal? Diagonal is
divides the shape, ma'am.
It divides the shape into too many parts. Equal parts or too many parts, or in easy way you can say that when we connect two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon, it is called a diagonal. Two non-consecutive means those who are not in a order. Okay, those who are not in a order, that is a non-consecutive. And consecutive means neighbors. Consecutive means neighbors, those who are in a those who are close to each other. Okay, no vertices in between them. That is the consecutive vertices, and non-consecutive means the vertices which are not close to each other. Okay, that are non-consecutive vertices. See here how to draw a diagonal. Can we draw a diagonal in a triangle?
No, ma'am, because we can't connect them.
Yes, we can't connect two non-consecutive vertices. They all are consecutive. They are all are consecutive. So in triangle we can't draw any diagonal. In this square, quadrilateral.
I'm only there are two diagonals.
Yeah. There are
the
four
congruent
vertices.
triangles.
There are four vertices. If we join these two non-consecutive vertices, we will get this diagonal. If we join this, we will get the other diagonal. Okay, it means quadrilateral having four sides will have two diagonal. Okay, similarly for the pentagon, the polygon which is having 5 sides, we can draw 5 diagonal. Okay, and hexagonal 6 side polygon, we can draw 9 diagonal. You draw it at home and you practice it. Okay, you practice it. Now we can summarize in the formula that how many numbers of diagonal can be formed in a polygon having n side. Okay, the formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. Okay, either you can draw it, see up to 6 side you can draw it easily, but if it is of more than 6 side, it will be difficult to draw. Okay, definitely you will do mistake. So use this formula n into n minus 3 by 2. Okay, if I ask you what will be the number of diagonal in 12 side polygon, 12 side polygon. If I say n is 12, what will be the number of diagonal in 12 side polygon? It would be, use this formula, 12 into 12 minus 3 is 12 minus 3, 9 by 2. Okay.
And then 12 nines are we should multiply, which is
yeah, first you can cut this 12 by 2 table.
54, ma'am.
Yeah, 6 9 ja 54. Okay,
54.
so up to 6 you can draw and you can check, you can count. Above 6 it is not easy to count. Okay, so use this formula. Number of diagonal would be n into n minus 3 by 2. N into n minus 3 by 2. Okay, now see, tell me how many diagonal does each of the following have? Okay, now let's do question. A convex quadrilateral. Do you know what is a convex shape and concave shape? Do you know?
Ma'am, a convex is nothing but when the diagonals.
Convex is.
But when diagonals lie in the figure.
Yes. If the diagonal lies in the figure, that is a convex. And if the diagonal lies outside the figure, that is a concave shape. You can remember easily by this term concave. Okay, concave. By the use the shape of cave. Cave is of like this shape. Okay. Okay, so you can draw a quadrilateral in concave shape like this. Okay, it's having it's having 5 sides. Let me to draw quadrilateral. This is the concave shape quadrilateral. Okay, concave shape quadrilateral, and convex shape quadrilateral will be, this will be the convex shape. Okay, so what is the difference between concave and convex? In concave, the diagonal, one of the diagonal will lie outside of the shape. Here in the convex, all the diagonal will lie inside the shape only. That is a basic difference between convex and concave. Okay. Now, tell me how many diagonal does each of the following have? How many diagonal are there in a convex quadrilateral? This is the convex. How many diagonal would be there?
Ma'am, you kept a message saying join fast. I have joined, ma'am.
Okay, okay. I kept a message 10 minutes before. You might have checked now. You might have seen now. Okay. So convex is how many diagonal will be there in this convex quadrilateral?
2, ma'am.
2.
2.
This is simple. You can draw it and you can show it will be 2. Okay. How many diagonal will be there in a regular hexagon? Just now, this, see, this is a hexagon and diagonal will be 9. In hexagon, diagonal
9, ma'am.
9. Or you can use this formula. Hexagon 6 sides, 6 minus 3 by 2. Okay. 3 into 3, this would be 9. Or in a triangle, there would be 0 diagonal. Okay.
No
Now,
diagonal.
yes. Now tell me interior and exterior. What is the interior part? Okay. If see, if I consider any shape of this cloud shape, okay, the interior part is this blue part. This is the interior part, and this is the exterior part. The part which is not inside the shape. Okay. So this is the interior part. This is the exterior part of closed curve. Okay. Now we will see the convex and concave polygon. It is already done. Okay. So these are the few shapes of convex polygon. Okay. These are the few shapes of convex polygon, and these are the few shapes of concave polygon. Okay. So remember it. What is the difference between concave and convex? Now tell me what is the regular and irregular polygon. Regular and irregular. A polygon which are equiangular and equilateral. Equiangular and equilateral are called regular polygon. Regular polygon means the polygon which have equiangular. All angles are equal and all sides are equal. That would be known as regular polygon. Okay, so both the conditions should be satisfied at the time. All angles should be equal and all side should also be equal. Okay, so these see the few example of this is the equilateral triangle. Okay, all sides are equal. All sides are equal and all angle are also equal. This is a square. We already know the square, all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. Okay, what is the
angles are 90 degrees?
90 degree? Yes, angle would be 90 degree. Okay, so these are the regular polygons, and this is also a regular polygon. And see, what will is, tell me, the rectangle will be a regular polygon or irregular? Rectangle.
Regular.
No. Rectangular will not be regular. In regular, see, there two conditions should be satisfied. All sides should be same. Is there all sides are same in a rectangle?
No, ma'am.
So how can you say? Okay, it will not be a regular. It is a irregular polygon. Okay, since all the sides are not equal. Even though it is a equiangular, all angles are equal, but sides are not equal. If one of the condition is not satisfied, then also we will say this is not a regular polygon. The two conditions should be satisfied at a time. Okay. Now see, is this a regular polygon? This is a triangle, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a regular. Okay, this triangle is a regular or irregular? Tell me fast.
Irregular.
This is a irregular triangle. Okay. Now these are the few example which are not regular. Okay, because their sides you can see easily. Their sides are not of equal length. Okay, here also in this first shape sides are not equal. Now tell me, What is a regular polygon? You already know. State the name of the regular polygon of three sides. If a regular polygon is having
Triangle.
three side equal three, what kind of triangle?
Equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle, not a simple triangle. Okay, it will be a equilateral triangle. If four side of a quadrilateral is equal, then that
Square.
known as square. Very good. And if six sides are
Regular hexagon.
regular hexagon.
Hexagon.
Okay, hexagon type. Now, okay, I am giving you a few shapes. Now tell me which are the simple curve, which are the closed curve, which are the polygons, which are the convex, and which are the concave. The first one is simple one, or concave or convex. Tell me. If we do one by one, the simple curve are, they all are curve, we know. Okay, simple curve are, one is simple curve or not. One is simple, one is having only four sides. The second one is also simple. Third one is simple or complex? No, it is complex. We cannot draw without lifting the pen. Okay, we cannot draw it without lifting the pen. So this 3, 4, 8, this will not be a simple curve. Other than these, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 will be a simple curve. Okay, simple closed curve, they all are closed. Okay, the curve considered in A, they all are closed and simple. So the same answer would be same. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 are simple closed curve. Polygon, how many are polygon?
2.
First is polygon, 2 is polygon.
Second one.
Second one is polygon. Yeah, I wrote. 5 is polygon. No. 6 is not a polygon. Okay. Polygon is made up of.
Ma'am, can we make 4 as a polygon?
4. No, 4 is not a polygon. Okay. 4 is not a
1
polygon.
and 2 are polygons then.
Okay. So now a convex polygon. Convex is this one. Second one is concave, convex, and first one is concave. Okay, so first one is concave, second one is convex. Other than first and second, any convex shape? Seventh is also concave.
Ma'am,
Fourth one is
convex.
Convex or concave?
Convex, ma'am.
No, fourth one is not a convex. If we draw the actually this is not a curve. If it is not a curve, it will not be considered either in a convex or concave shape. Okay, because we cannot make it without lifting. Yeah, we can make it without lifting the pen. Yes, we can make it. So it will be considered in, if we draw the, can we draw diagonal? Can we draw diagonal outside of this shape? No, we cannot make diagonal. So it will not be considered either in a concave or convex. Okay. Now this seventh will be concave or convex? It will be considered in concave. This because here, no, this is not a convex or concave polygon because here a curved surface is included. Okay.
And the 8th one is also not convex or concave because the circles are included.
Yes. These three are not convex or concave. Okay, this is also not convex or concave. This is also not. Only first one is concave and second one is convex. Okay. practice these kind of questions. Now we will see the most important properties, angle sum property. Okay, how will you find out the sum of all the interior angle and sum of all the exterior angle of any polygon? Okay, so the formula is this one. We will see how this formula came. Okay, see, if I draw a triangle, if I wait, let me to select the pen. Okay, if I draw a triangle, okay, now tell me what will be the sum of total angle in this triangle. If I say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, so what will be the sum of total angle? Sum of angle 1, sum of angle 2 plus sum of angle 3 in triangle. So can you say, can you tell me this? Do you know? Does anybody know this or
Ma'am,
not? Yes.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Angle plus angle 1 and plus measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3 gives us 180 degrees according
180
to the
degree.
angles and property of the triangle.
Yes. It will be the sum
Ma'am,
of
for
all angle.
quadrilateral, it is 360 degrees.
Why for quadrilateral it is 360 degree? Can you explain it?
Ma'am, we know that first three sides are 180 degrees. Then if you like
See, since we can divide this quadrilateral into two triangle, okay, and we know that angle sum of triangle is 180 degree. Since there are two triangle, so 180 plus 180, it will be 360 degree. Okay. If there is a pentagon, this is quadrilateral. If there is a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then what will be the angle sum of all interior angles? See, divide this pentagon into equal triangle. If I join this point, I join this point. Okay. There will exist 3 triangle inside a pentagon. If one triangle angle sum is 180, the 3 triangle angle sum would be 380 into 180 into 3. That is 540 degree. Okay. So from this concept, we can derive a formula that for any n number of side of polygon, the angle sum of angle would be n minus 2 into 180. See here, see, if sides are 4, if sides are 4, triangle are 2, triangle are 2. If sides are 5, sides are 5, triangle is 3. We can make 3 triangle inside it. Okay, so always you see the triangle is 2 less than the side. Okay, the triangle is 2 less than the side. That's why I have subtracted here 2. Whatever is the number of side, subtract from 2. Okay, that will be the number of triangle and multiply this by 180. You will get the angle sum of interior angle. Sum of angle. Is it clear how this formula came?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Now if I say if a polygon is having 7 side, what will be the sum of angle, interior angle? For n equal to 7, the sum of interior angle will be 7 minus 2 into 180. 5 into 180. 7 minus 2, that is 5 into 180. And that will be 900. Okay. 900 degree. Okay. If any question come, you use this formula n minus 2 into 180 and put the value of n. You will get the value.
Ma'am, a doubt.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, in this formula, n minus 2 into 180, we can use it to find the interior angles, but what is the formula for exterior angles?
There is no formula for exterior angle. I will tell you later after this topic that exterior angle remain constant for each and every polygon. If it is of 5 side, 6 side, 7 side, n side, the exterior angle sum would be constant and that will be always 360 degree. Okay, so if it is a constant, you need to apply the formula. Okay. So what is the sum of measure of angle? Let's do this question quickly. What is the sum of measure of angle of a convex quadrilateral? Okay, now this formula, see, this formula is applicable for convex as well as concave curve. This formula is applicable for all type of curve, convex as well as concave. Okay, now we'll see, this is the concept that I told you. Okay, so how you can cut them in equal triangle and then you can derive the formula. This is this thing I have already told you. Now see, okay, this is done. Yeah, now find the measure of x in the following figure. Okay, now this question is important. This kind of question will come in your exam. Okay, now we will take one by one. In a figure, in figure A, find out the value of x by knowing the angle sum property. Apply the angle sum property and find out the value of x. Okay, all of you do it and type your answer in chat box. Since this is a revision, okay, so you have to solve it. If you find any difficulty, then I will tell you how to do. Otherwise, you solve it and we will move forward. Yes, Geeta. Geeta is
Ma'am, mine is myself Nityasri. Ma'am, I have joined from my mother's phone, so it shows
mother. Okay, okay. So Nityashri is correct. Let me check. Okay. Do it for figure B. 50 plus 130. All of you do it. Yes, correct. First answer is 60. Nityashri is getting the correct answer. No one gave after Nityashri. No one answered. Nityashri, do the B.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sending.
Okay, correct.
Ma'am, can you move a little down? I'll do the C2. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Rest of the student, please respond. Please answer. Yes, correct.
Ma'am, just give me 1 minute.
Ma'am, I have sent C also, ma'am.
See, Manideep, 2 comma 140. What is the meaning of? Okay, 2. 2 answer is 140. Correct. Manideep, you are correct.
Ma'am, Nitya, I sent the third answer too.
Third answer is wait. Let me to check. First and second is correct. Third is wait. This is pentagon, right? So pentagon total angle of sum would be?
Ma'am, ma'am, 360 degrees. So 360 by 5 is 72.
No. This will not be. You did
Ma'am,
mistake.
540, ma'am.
Yes. So
Five.
since it is a pentagon, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So for pentagon, sum of angle will be 5 minus 2, 3 into 180, 540. Total angle will be 540. Okay. Now see, this angle is given. This angle would be 180 minus 70, because in a line total angle is 180 degree.
180.
Okay. If this is x, this angle would be 180 minus x. Okay. So this angle would be 180 minus 70, that is 110, and this angle 180 minus 60, it will be 120. Okay. So now add all these angle and equate them to 540. 110 plus 120 plus 2x plus 30 equal to 540. Now you solve it.
Ma'am, I have a small question.
Ma'am, is my
Ma'am,
answer
are you
correct?
saying to the C1 or the D1, ma'am?
C1. I am saying for C1.
Ma'am, are my answers correct?
Let me to check.
Ma'am, I to send the third answer and fourth.
110 plus 120 plus 30 minus 540 divided by 2. Yes, 140 is correct. For C, 140 is correct. And for D, it is?
Ma'am, 72.
Yes, 540 divided by 5.
No, ma'am, 108. Think so.
See,
For
how many
C.
sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But
For
540.
pentagon, total angle is 540, and all angles are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles.
How did you get
And that's what I
540
did,
for
ma'am.
pentagon?
What?
How did you get 540 for pentagon?
Ma'am, here
The
in the
similar way.
pentagon, x,
The
x,
number
x,
of
x,
side,
x.
use that formula.
Here
Number of
5x
side
equals to
minus
540, transposing the term x equals to 540
180.
by 5, which gives us 108. That is the
Nityashri, are you
answer.
getting how for pentagon it would be 540? In third also,
The C1 was 3 and directly 3 into 180. You had to minus 3 minus 2, which is 1, then into 180. No.
yes. Similarly, here,
No, ma'am, C1 you got as 540. No, ma'am. How did you get C1 540 and D also 540?
actually now only I told you that for calculating the angle of sum of angle, use this formula. N minus 2 into
2
180.
into 180.
180. What is the value of n here? Total number of side is 5
Ma'am,
minus
D
2.
I understood, ma'am. How did you get 3 into 180 in C? You had to minus 3 minus 2, which is 1. 1 into 180.
Not 3 minus 2.
In C1.
In C1, it is not 3. How many sides are there? 1, 2,
There are
3,
five
4,
sides.
5. 5 sides are there in C. How can you say there are 3 sides? Is this a triangle? This is not a triangle. This is a shape of a pentagon. This is a shape of pentagon.
Ma'am, then
Understood?
you need to use this property 5 minus 2 gives
Yes,
us
yes.
3 into 180. That is
Nityashri,
540.
understood or not? Nityashri? Nityashri,
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how I took this 540? How I took 540?
Ma'am, if you count according to the usage of the property, you can
Yes,
the
there are,
minus
since
two
there are 5
into
sides,
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ma'am, then you use the formula 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 into 180 is 540.
540, yes. And in D question also the shape is
Ma'am, I
pentagon.
posted the answer in chat.
Yes,
Please
correct.
check.
Correct.
Because here x 5x equals
Yes.
to 540.
Yes, yes,
Then
yes.
you get the answer. Transpose.
Are you getting Nityashree? For
Yes, ma'am.
for D, what is your answer? 108, correct.
Ma'am, so
Okay.
the C answer and D. Okay, nothing.
C answer is
540.
140. Answer
Yes.
of C is 140 and D is 108.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay. Let's move to the next question. Yeah. Again here, you same thing. You have to find out the value of interior angles. Okay.
Ma'am,
Let's
should
move
we
to the.
try?
No, don't do. Now we will see what is the exterior angle.
Yes.
Okay. So see, if we extend the line segment of this triangle in all the direction. Okay. If we extend this line would go like this. Okay. This line will go further like this. This line will go like this. Okay. So now exterior angle are these angle. Okay. These angle are called the exterior angle. Okay. And the sum of all exterior angle will be constant in each and every polygon. You can verify it. Okay. That the sum of exterior angle would be the sum of exterior angle in a polygon will always be constant and it will be 360 degree. Here
Ma'am,
you can
any polygon like pentagon.
yes. See, if it first we are taking triangle. Okay. If it's interior angle at 60, then this exterior angle A will be 180 minus 60. Okay. That is 120. Similarly, this exterior angle B will be 120. This exterior angle C will be 120. Now
Ma'am, so even if we take a decagon, it will also have a.
yes. If you take a decagon, octagon, nonagon, for anything, for each polygon, the exterior angle sum will be constant and that will be 360 degree. Okay. Like I can play this video. You can understand it better. See.
Ma'am, the video is a bit small.
Wait. Full screen is unavailable.
Ma'am, can you just play it on YouTube?
Wait. Now can you see it? Okay. See, all exterior angle sum will be 360. See, they have taken 4 type of polygon. They have taken 4. Now they are stretching this polygon. The polygon's shape will be reduced. The exterior angle, these color are making one circle, and you know the circle of angle in a circle is 360 degree. Okay. So for the time being, you remember it that the exterior angle sum will be 360 degree for octagon, nonagon, any and polygon, and side polygon. Okay. Now see whether it is a irregular or regular. Okay. Let's take one irregular example. This is a irregular pentagon. Okay. Exterior angles are given. Now when you sum up all the exterior angle, it will be 360 degree only. Okay. Exterior angle is like suppose I am having a car. Okay. I am having a car and I start driving from here. Then I take turn to this side, then I take turn to this side, then I come down and I come again to my initial position. Okay, so for taking so for going to this path, the car is taking 360-degree rotation. The car is taking total 360-degree rotation. Okay, so 360 can be found by adding all these exterior angles. Okay, so this would be 360-degree. So you remember, time being, you remember that all exterior sum would be, exterior angle sum would be 360-degree. Now see, find the measure of x. If you know the exterior angle sum property, use that property here and find out the value of x. Do it fast.
Ma'am, 110.
110. It will be 110. If I say exterior sum of all angle 90 plus 50 plus 110 is exterior angle, and here x is exterior angle, all sum is constant, that is 360-degree. So x would be 160
250 minus 360,
250,
which
yes.
is 110.
360 minus 250, it will be 110. Okay, okay, correct. Yes, now see, this is a tricky question. Find the number of side of a polygon whose exterior angle has a measure of 50-degree, 45-degree, sorry. If one exterior angle is 45-degree, okay, so find out the number of sides. Number of side. Number of sides. How will you do? How will you solve it? Type your any idea? Anybody want to give any idea about this? Side of a regular polygon. See, draw any polygon. Regular means all sides are of equal length. Okay, draw any polygon of equal side. Suppose I am drawing this polygon. Okay, now regular means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Okay, all angles, all these angles are equal, and let's suppose these are x. Okay, so whatever will be the value of sides, okay, the total angle will be I am taking, I don't know the number of side, so I am taking, assume my number of side is n. N is the number of side in this polygon. So total angle, total interior angle would be, total interior angle will be nx.
Ma'am,
Okay.
8 is the answer.
Wait. Total interior angle will be nx, and total exterior angle sum will be 360-degree. Now this one angle,
Ma'am, answer is
yes, 180
8 sides.
180 minus x into n equal to 360-degree. This will be the equation, right? X is 45-degree. So 180 minus 45 is 360 divided by 180 minus 45.
Ma'am, 8.
360. Wait, let me check.
135, ma'am.
Yes. No. I'm doing somewhere wrong, right? 8 is correct answer. 8 is the correct answer, but
Yes.
this is wrong.
Ma'am, actually you are calculating by the interior angles, ma'am. The question is about exterior angles. ma'am.
Okay. This is the mistake I did. Exterior angle. Exterior angle is given. Exterior angle is x, not the interior angle. Interior angle would be 180 minus x. Exterior angle is x. Okay. So for n side, total exterior angle would be nx and it will be equal to 360. N would be 360 divided by x. X is given, it is 45. So 360 by 45, you will directly get the answer. That is 8. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For this, for avoiding these type of mistakes, please read the question carefully. Okay. Exterior angle has been given. Now find out the value of x. Wait. Let's do only one question. Okay. Take the B. Find out the value of x. Do it fast. This angle is 90. This angle will be, yes. Now add all the angle and subtract from the 360 degree. Right? Now let's move to the next question. Okay. Now we will move to the quadrilateral. Okay. Now we will see the shape of four sides. The shape which is having four sides. Okay, it may be irregular or regular type. It may be convex or concave type. Okay, so as we know, the angle sum property for the quadrilateral, interior angle will be sum of all interior angle will be 360, as well as exterior angle will be 360. So for quadrilateral, the sum of interior angle and exterior angles are same. Okay, now you see that. Yes, tell me. Tell.
Nothing, ma'am, nothing.
Confusion?
No, ma'am.
Apply this formula, n minus 2 into 180. Put the value of n. N will be 4. You will get 360 degrees.
Yes, ma'am. 360.
Okay. Now there are types of a quadrilateral. First one is trapezium. Okay. So trapezium is a kind of quadrilateral which has one pair of parallel sides. Okay. Which has one pair of parallel side. Okay. So in this shape, this is the shape of trapezium. In this shape, the AD is parallel to AD will be parallel to BC. Okay. One pair of parallel side. Okay. If I draw, is this a trapezium or not? This is also a trapezium because here these sides are parallel. Any two side is a parallel, then we can say this is the shape of a trapezium. Any two opposite side should be parallel. This is a must condition for a trapezium. Any two opposite side should be parallel. Here AD and BC opposite sides are parallel. Okay?
Ma'am?
Yes.
So if can we also put it like BC and AB are parallel?
No. AB and BC are not a parallel. If they will be parallel, then this will not be a trapezium. That will be a parallelogram. Okay. If four sides are parallel, then opposite sides are parallel, then that will be a parallelogram. Okay. We will see it later. Okay. So for trapezium, the simple thing is any one opposite side should be parallel. Okay. Now kite. What is the structure of kite? This is the simple structure of a kite. Okay. Two adjacent sides are equal. Here see, adjacent side means the side which are close to each other. Okay, these sides are adjacent sides and their length will be equal in a kite, and these sides are adjacent sides, so their length will be equal. Okay, adjacent side length will be equal in a kite. AB will be equal to BC and AD will be equal to DC. Okay, so what is the property of kite? Two diagonal are perpendicular to each other. In a kite, the two diagonal will be perpendicular to each other. Two diagonal. These are the diagonal and they will be perpendicular to each other. Okay. So next property is one of the diagonal bisect the other one. Bisect means, what is the meaning of bisect? Bisect means division in equal part. Division in equal part. Okay, so one of the diagonal, see this diagonal BD, this diagonal BD will bisect this diagonal AC into two equal parts. So this part and this part will be of equal length. This is the property of a kite. Okay, and angle A will be equal to angle C. Angle A and angle C will be equal, but angle B will not be equal to angle D. Okay, so remember these three property which you might have derived. Okay, so we will not consider the derivation part here. Since it is a revision, we will directly remember the property and we will solve the question. Okay, now come to the next quadrilateral. This is a parallelogram. So what do you mean by parallelogram? In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Okay, this side will be parallel to this side and this side will be parallel to this side. The opposite sides, these two sides are this two side AB will be parallel to DC and the other opposite side AD will be parallel to BC. If two sides are parallel, then this will be a parallelogram. Okay, all sides are parallel. Hence ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, now this is important. The question will come on the property of parallelogram. Okay, so what is the property of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. Okay, AB will be equal to DC. Opposite side will be parallel and opposite side will be equal also. They will be equal. AB will be equal to DC and AD will be equal to BC. Okay, and opposite angle are equal. See, these are the opposite angle. Angle B and D are opposite. Okay, angle A and angle C are opposite. So angle A will be equal to angle C and angle B will be equal to angle D. Opposite angle will be equal. So two things you can remember: opposite side will be equal and opposite angle will be equal. Okay, and adjacent side. Okay, property of parallelogram. This is the property of parallelogram. Okay, this is all about the side. This is all about the side. Now we will see what is the property of angle. What is the property of angle? The adjacent angle. The A and B are the adjacent angle, and adjacent angle sum will be 180. Here B and C, these two adjacent angle sum will be 180. C and D, these two adjacent angle will be 180 always. So we can say there are three property for a parallelogram, that opposite sides are parallel to each other. Opposite sides are parallel to each other. And they will be on opposite sides opposite side will be of equal measure. Okay, side will be equal measure. Third, adjacent angle. Sum of adjacent angle will be 180 degree. If two angles, sum is 180 degree, can we say these two angles are supplementary of each other? Can we say it? Nityashri.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if two angles are sum is 180 degree, we can say the angle A and B are supplementary angle. If two angles sum is 180 degree, you can say angle A and B are supplementary angle. Okay. Now, what is the fourth property of a parallelogram? That opposite angles are equal. Opposite angle. Angle A equal to angle C and angle B will be equal to angle D. Okay. Okay. So these are the four property of a parallelogram.
Okay.
Okay. Now see, the question is given that if the opposite angle of a parallelogram, opposite angle has been given, you have to calculate the four angle of parallelogram. Okay, so you should know the property that opposite angle are equal. So equal, do these angle equal. 3x plus 5 equal to 61 minus x. You will get an equation. Now solve this equation, you will find the value of x. Okay, you will get the angle. Okay, so you remember this property, you have to apply these four property while solving the question for parallelogram. Sides are parallel and sides are of same equal length. Okay, opposite sides are of equal length, opposite angles are equal, and adjacent angle are supplementary angle. Okay, remember this four property. Okay, now I will give you the this BEST is a parallelogram. Find out the value of x, y, z. Do it fast.
Ma'am, x is 100.
X is 100, right? Because opposite angle, we are saying that opposite angle will be equal, x will be 100, and then what will be the value of this y and z?
Ma'am, y is 100 only and z is 80, ma'am.
Z is 18. Z is 80 and y is 100. Okay, okay. Because they are opposite angle, so x would be 100. Why this y would be 100? Because they are
Corresponding angle.
corresponding angle. Angle y and angle x. Angle y. See, this is the angle y and this is the angle x. They are corresponding angle. Okay, we can assume that these two lines are parallel and this is a transversal line. This is a transversal line on line TS and BE, and in a transversal line the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so x will be equal to y, so y would be 100. Now what will be the z? 180 minus the total angle in a line is 180, so z would be 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. Okay, now do this question. If this angle is given in a parallelogram, find all other angles. Find out all other angles.
Ma'am, angle N is also 70 degrees, ma'am.
Yes, they are opposite angle. Okay. Now Z and I, use the adjacent angle property. We know that adjacent angle in a parallelogram is 180 degree. So n plus I,
110 degree, ma'am.
110 degree. The sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. If it is 70, it would be 1110. And if it is 1110, the opposite angle are equal, it will be 1110. Okay. This adjacent angle property will be used most commonly. So remember it.
Okay.
Okay. So now see this. Help of a parallelogram. OE is given. O is 4. HL is 5 more than PE. Find out OH. Find out OH.
Okay.
Total HL. HL is 5 more than PE. PE plus 5. Now what will be the PE? Do you know the diagonal property of a parallelogram? Yes.
O is equal to OP, no, ma'am.
Yes. Parallelogram diagonal are also equal. They are of equal length. Okay. So 4 part of this diagonal will be equal. So this OE will be equal to PO. Okay. This OP.
Yes, ma'am.
So this OE will be equal to PO. PO will be 4. Then this PE would be, PE will be 4 plus 4, 8.
Ma'am, now all are equal, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
So full HL will be 8 plus 5 because we got this side, no, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah. HL is 5 more than PE. HL is
5
more than
no,
PE.
ma'am. So we
What?
got 8 as the
Yes,
diagonal.
yes.
8 plus 5 is 13.
8 plus 5 is 13. You find OH. OH will be HL by 2. Okay. So 13 by 2. That will be 6.5. Okay.
Yes.
You also have to find out the OH.
13 by 2 for OH.
13. Yes, this OH. This HL is 13. This HL is 13. This OH will be the 13 by 2. HL, half of HL will be OH.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So let's revise quickly all property of parallelogram. Okay. Nityashri, tell me the property of parallelogram.
Ma'am, opposite angles are equal, adjacent sides are equal.
Adjacent side. No, adjacent side. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay. Opposite sides are parallel and equal.
Opposite angles are equal.
Opposite angles are equal. And adjacent angle are 180 degree. Adjacent angle are 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree. And the diagonal are equal. Diagonal are equal. Okay. So this will be the midpoint of diagonal. Okay. So this is the property of a parallelogram. Okay. Now, okay. So do only one question. Tomorrow we will start new topic. Okay, do this one. Then you can leave.
Okay.
In this parallelogram, find out the
Y is also 112, ma'am.
Y will be 112, correct?
Okay.
X is 40.
Ma'am, the beside angle beside X is also 40, so.
X will be 40, no.
No, ma'am, X only 40.
These are the opposite angle. We don't know the value of These are the opposite angle. Okay.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. X plus. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. X plus X and the beside angle with it plus Y is 180, no, ma'am. So.
See this. These are the two adjacent angle. Okay. So 40 plus Z plus 112 will be 180 degree. Now calculate the Z.
Ma'am, X
Calculate.
is 58 degrees.
Wait. Z is, first find out the Z. 112 plus 40. 152 minus 180. 28. Z is 28.
Ma'am, so X is also 28 because they are opposite. Ma'am.
Yes. They are
How
alternate
I
angle. They are alternate angle.
Yes.
Okay. Because
Ma'am,
of the alternate angle property, X will be equal to Z will be 28 degree. And how did you get the Z? Is it clear?
Ma'am, can we also do it in this way like I did it, like 112 minus 180 is 68, and the 40 beside X one angle is there, that is also 40. Ma'am. So 68 minus 40, which is 28. So X is 28, Z is also 28.
Yes. You can do in any way. Okay. There are 2-3 method. You can apply any method, whichever is easier for you, use that. Okay. So this is the simple one, simplest one. I just did like this 40 plus Z and this angle 112. They are adjacent angle. So their sum would be 180 degree. Now this angle is 40 plus Z. This is 112. Now find out the Z. Z is 28 degree. From this equation, you will get Z as 28 degree. Now, you know that these X and Z, they are alternate angle. Or not alternate, they are opposite angle. Okay. So Z will be equal to X. This is X, this is Z. Angle Z will be equal to angle X. They are opposite angle.
Yes.
Okay. So do you want to play quiz or not? Today it is enough, or do you want to play quiz? Yes or no? Anybody wants to play quiz on this parallelogram topic? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start a quiz. I think the number of students are very less, so we cannot play quiz.
Only 5 members are there.
Yeah, 8 members are there. So for quiz, you need minimum 10 members, right? No?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. If you see in the participants, 6 members are there. You are the host. So only 5 are there.
Okay, okay. Let me to share. Link. Anybody want to share link? Wait.
Ma'am, I'm using mobile, so I can't share.
Okay, okay. Let me to check. class 8th quadrant. Okay. Start a quiz. Continue. Copy link. Okay. Did you get the link? Okay, only Geeta get the link. Wait, everyone waiting. Everyone, everyone got the link? Okay, start it. Do it fast. Okay. Time is up. Nityashri, first rank, Ananya second, and Manideep fourth. Manideep might have joined late, right? Okay. No problem. Clap for Nityashri. Okay. Ananya is also did well. Manideep joined late. Okay. So now I think it is enough for today.